upon a star. Makes no difference who you are. Disneyland, we so miss you. I just want you to know, I miss all the cast members. I can go find my child, see where she's at. It's so empty. So weird. There's Disney, there's California winter. Let's just go take a peek over here. Just enjoy the esplanade music. Can you name that tune? I can name that tune. Not this one particularly. On the agenda today is award wieners. Definitely gonna get award wieners. I was told I can go back on a regular diet and try foods and see how I handle them. So, having colon cancer is not the best thing in the world, but being rid of it is. So we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna try to go find my daughter. I should probably turn this thing off for a minute and go find her. See you guys on the other side.